Hi and welcome everyone to this Photoshop beginners course. My name is Sayan Sharda and together you and me will learn everything we need to know to make gorgeous photos in Photoshop. We'll start with cropping and straightening images. Then we'll do some basic selections and turn them into artworks like this. After that, we'll learn how to fix images by correcting their light and colors. After that, we'll learn retouching. We'll start with retouching skin, eyes, hair and much more. After that, we'll remove the background of objects and even people and their hair. Then we'll learn some popular effects and filters in Photoshop. And at the end, we will combine not all, but almost all the techniques to make a big artwork. I just scratched the tip of the iceberg here. There is loads more to learn in this course. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the Photoshop world.